Okay, so today we're going to review proportional relationships. So right here we have a proportional table, and what we're looking at is identifying our constant and then writing it as an equation. Okay, and so we're looking at the relationship between hours and miles. So 1 hour is 55 miles, 2 is 110, 3 is 165, and 4 is 220. So my constant is 55. Because if I take 1 times 55, it gives me 55. If I say 2 times 55, it gives me 110. 3 times 55 is 165, and 4 times 55 is 220. So I'd write that as y equals 55x. That would be my equation because this is my constant. Okay, I'm going to erase that. Okay, so with this one, we're just writing an equation. So once again, we're looking at the relationship between x and y. Okay, and so when I look at that, my relationship is 2 because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. So we'd say y equals 2x. Okay, here we're doing the same thing. We're looking at a constant, and so we know that 2 pounds is $1.50, 3 is $2.25, 4 is $3, and 5 is $3.75. So you have to know what 1 pound is. So if I take $1.50 and I divide that by 2, that gives me 75 cents. So each pound is 75 cents. Okay, here we're just creating a proportional relationship, so we have to fill in our missing values. And so 2 to 10, our relationship would be multiplying by 5, so that means we have to multiply our 4 by 5 to get 20. Now, 30 is on the bottom, so we would divide that by 5 to get 6 up here. You notice how it's going 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20, 30, and then 40. Okay, just a review question on graphs. Is this proportional or not? Well, this is not proportional, and the reason it's not is because a proportional graph, whoopsie, has to start at 0, and this one starts at 7. And then our last question, we're going to look and find the constant. So we're looking at the relationship between x and y, and our relationship is 4 because 3 times 4 is 12, 9 times 4 is 36, and 21 times 4 is equal to 81.